So today we are going to start numbers. Number is basically very important topic for a grade A student, and we will see that first we are going to see. You already know that what are numbers. Am I right? Or not? One,
Yes.
2, 3, 4, 5, and up to so on. These are called numbers. These are positive numbers. We can write the negative numbers as well. -1, -2, -3, -4, and up to so on. These are the numbers that we already know that. Now, today we are going to see that how to take the square of a number. First, we are going to see that how to take the square of a number. Square of a number. So, we have any number, whether it's positive or negative, we need to know that how to take the square of our numbers. So first of all, I'm going to write a question. Say 2 power 2. You can see that there is a power 2 that you can see on 2. That 2 is basically represents square. Okay. It's 2 power 2. In this case, always remember there instead of 2, I will write 3. That will be more effective. You can see that there are two terms that you can see, 3 and 2. A 2 in this case, 2 represents the power. Is it clear? It is a power. And 3 represents base. Understand?
Yes.
Okay. Now, the question is how we can solve that. You can see a power that is 2, you need to write base that times. If you see 2, then you need to write base 2 times and multiply. Is it clear? That is called square. When you use this, when you try to simplify this, you already know the table of 3. 3 3s are 9, so you will get 9. Is it clear? You
Yeah.
understand?
Yes.
Okay. Similarly, if I change a question, if I write 5 power 2, what does it mean? We need to write 5 2 times and multiply. Okay. When we do that, we know that 5 5s are 25. So we will get 25 in this case. I hope you understand this as well. This is called, in this way, we can take the square of our number. Okay. Similarly, now we are going to see how to take the cube of a number. If we have a number and we want to take the cube of a number, how we can take that? It is very easy. What we need to do, all we need to do is we need to write, for example, we have a number, say 2 with power 3. So that is called cube. The 3 power represents cube. Is it clear? 2 power
Yes.
represents square, 3 power represents, of course, cube, and 2 is a base as usual. You can see the power, it's 3, so you need to write base 3 times and multiply with each other. You know that 2 2s are 4, and then 4 2s are 8. 2 2s are 4, and after getting the 4, we need to multiply 4 with 2, we will get 8. Is it clear or not?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Similarly, now let's change the question. Let's write a little bit complex question, say 6 power 3. So now we are going to see that how we can write that. You know that we need to write 6 3 times and multiply each other. So how we can do that? You are already familiar with this. When I multiply 6 with 6, it will be 36. Am I right? And this 6 will remain same. Now you already know that how to do the multiplication. If you don't have a calculator, there will be a no problem. You can write 36 multiplied by 6. So 6 6 are 36. 3 will remain, and 6 3s are 18 plus 3 is 21. So you will get 1 2 6. Square root. Okay, we are already familiar with the square. Now we need to take the square root. This is a different thing. And let's see what does it mean. Okay, square root of a number. So first of all, we need to understand what is the symbol of square root. This is a symbol of square root. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Yes.
Then if you know the symbol of square root, then what does it mean? If we have a number, say a root of A is any number, what does it mean? It means A power 1 by 2. Is it clear? Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
When you see the square root, its power will always will be 1 by 2. Now I will give you an example. You will understand this more properly. Okay. For example, if I want to find the root of say 4. Okay. So square root of 4 will be what? We don't know that. We want to find that. I hope you are familiar with this, how to do this factorization. Yes or no?
Yeah.
If you know, we know that 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. Is it clear or no?
Yeah.
Ismail, you understand this or no? This is
Yes.
called factorization, in which we can easily simplify a bigger number into a small pieces. Now, if I multiply 2 with 2, I will get 4. Am I right or no? 2 2s are 4. And of course, I am getting the 4. This means anything that is written on the left side, we need to multiply. We will get our given number. Okay. Now you know that 2 is written 2 times. So I can write this just like that. Am I right or no? Because previously I write 2 power 2 with 2 multiplied by 2. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Previously, in the start of this lecture, I told you 2 power 2 mean what? You need to multiply 2 with 2 times. Am I right?
Yes.
2
So
power
before.
mean 2 times. And of course, you need to multiply that number as well. So I can write this just like that. Now, if you have a 2 power and you have a square root, so this will automatically cancel out. Just like I told you, you will directly get the answer too. Is it clear or not?
Yes.
Yes.
I will give you one more example so that you understand this more properly. For example, if I want to find the root of 16. So we know that first we need to do the factorization. If I do the factorization, and you know that 2 8s are 16, we start from 2. If the number is divisible by 2, then we will continue with 2 until it is not divisible by 2. Am I right or no? And when we get
Yes.
1 here, we can stop. Is it clear?
Yes.
Mobina.
Yes, clear.
Now you know that you can multiply the left values, will get the whole number. So it will be 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. You can see that 2 appear 4 times. Am I right? So we need to make the pair of 2. Am I right or no? First, I will join these two. I will get 2 power 2. Yes or no?
Yes.
And there is a multiplication sign. I will write that similar. Then I will join these two. So I will get 2 power 2. You know that this 2 power will cancel with square root, both power. Okay. So you will get 2 multiplied by 2. Understand? Or not? So 2 2s are 4. So this is the answer that should be given. For example, if I want to take the square root of 196. So how we can take that? The simple way is to do to get the factors of 196. We will start from 2 because in then we have a 6. So it will be divisible by 2. Am I right or no? So now
Yeah.
you can divide that. 2 9s are 18, 2 8s are 16. So you will get 98. Half of the 196 is 98. Now you can see that in then you have a 8. So it is also divisible by 2. So 2 4s are 8. You can do that by using your division or calculator. Okay. Or you can use the division. Division 98 divided by 2. It will be 2 4s are 8. 1 will remain. And 8 2 9s are 18. Is it clear or not? You can use this as well. A division that you already familiar. Now you know that 49 is divisible by only 7. Am I right or no? 7 7s are 49. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now you know that you can see that we have a two 2s and 2 7s. Okay. This means we can make the pair of 2 and also the pair of 7. Is it clear or not? Now you
Yes.
know that this 2 will automatically cancel with square root. You will get 2 and 7. Understand or not? And 2 7s are 14. This is the answer that we get. Now I'm going to provide the homework question for you. Find the square of following numbers. First, you need to find the square. Okay. For example, if I write a number, say 11, we need to find the square, and 13. Is it clear? Or no?
Yeah.
Then the second question is find the cube of following numbers. Now I'm going to provide two numbers. Say first question is cube. So it will be first is 8. And the second question is, this is an exceptional case. You need to take care of this, okay? 14. Then
All right.
find the square root of following numbers. I will write two numbers here and you need to find them. Okay. Square root mean you need to use the symbol of square root that I just told you previously. Okay. For example, if I told you to find the square root of 289, you can do that as well. I think so. No, you will not be able to do that. Just skip this. Okay, instead of this, you can write the square root of I think this will be the best. Okay, 325. Okay, one more question that I'm going to tell you. Yeah, sorry, 324. Beginning one factor. Okay, the second number is say 400. Okay, you know that its symbol is this. Am I right? You need to find this in another one. Is that clear?
Yes.
Nabila, you understand this one?
Yeah.
So you need to find this in simple one. Okay, so now we are going to do one more thing, that is cube root of a number. We know that cube means 3 power. Am I right? So cube root of a number. How we can do that? Let's see this. First, you need to know the symbol of cube root. So its symbol will be similar to square root, but we will see a little bit 3 here. Is it clear?
Yeah.
That is basically the symbol of cube root that you need to know that when you see the question. For example, if I write a number with this root, cube root, so it means a power 1 by 3. Is it clear or not? So this means if we have a number with any number with power 3, it will cancel out with the cube root. Am I right or not? Because when I multiply 3 with 1 by 3, I will get 3 by 3 and it will be 1. Yes or no?
Yeah.
You understand the same thing that we see in the square root as well. Ismail, you understand this one?
Yes.
Okay, so this means any number with power 3, if we make a triplet of a number, then it will be come out of the cube root. Okay, let's see a simple example. For example, we have an example 27. We want to find the cube root of 27. Or we can do that. It is very simple. First, you need to do the factorization of 27. You know that 27 is not divisible by 2. It is divisible by 3. 3 nines are 27 and 3 threes are 3, and 3 threes are 9, and 3 ones are 3. So this means I can write the 27 in the form of 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, then you know that if we have a number repeated 3 times, it means it has a 3 power that we already see in the start. So we know that this 3 will cancel with cube root, you will get the answer 3. I hope you understand. Let's do another example. I will do one more example. For example, if I want to find the cube root of 64. So first I need what? I need the factorization of 64. Okay, so 232 and then 216 and then 28 and 24 and 22 and 21. Is it clear or not? Let's find the cube root. We have the factorization, so we need to write that. Write the left values that you can see. It is 2, 2 times 2, and then 2. There are 6 2's that you can see. 4, 5, and 6. We need to make the 3 pairs. Am I right or no? So first I
Yes.
will do the first, take 3 2's and make the cube of 2. Similarly, do the same thing for the second one as well. So you know that this will cancel with cube root. This will also cancel with cube root. So you will get 2 multiplied by 2 outside. That will be 4. Now a homework for you. And that homework is you need to find the cube root of course, I will give you one simple question and one will be a little bit complex. Okay. Cube root of the following numbers, and I will write 2 numbers. You can find the cube root. Okay. Okay then. So this is the first number and this is the second number. And first number is you need to find the cube root of say I will write one simple question and one will be a little bit complex. Okay. So the
Sir.
first question is 512, and the second question is okay 1000. Okay.